And praise means all your problems. It looks strange, right? But the Bible says, where we read, first of all, what is battle? What is embracing battle? And the Bible lets us to understand that embracing battle helps us to discover our identity in life. Embracing battle help us to identify who we are in kingdoms. It helps us to know the purpose why we are on earth. Embracing battle to help us to know that there are things in me that are hidden. It is when you embrace battle you can fight the battle. If you does not embrace battle, there is no means or there is no way you can understand that there is something special in you. Every man in the sight of God are special. Both women and child, men and adults, you are special. But the reason why we let down ourselves because we did not see what God has put in our life that been hidden for a long. But when you embrace this battle, it makes you to communicate with God to help you to fight it. And the Bible said in Ezra chapter 14 verse 14, he said the Lord shall fight for you and you shall have your peace. If there is no battle, you will not know your enemy. If there is no battle, the testimony that you are believing God for can not come. Those who are believing God for child, those who are believing God for doctor, what to do, you pray everything to God because that which you believe is your battle. You need to emphasize prayer to address the case to let God know that you want. That in other words, you are embracing the battle. What you does not pray for is not what you need. It is what you need that you can pray for. So the Bible makes us to understand that when you embrace battle, God gives you strength to defeat your enemy. Remember the Bible said when we read in 1 Samuel chapter 17 verse 50, he said David was a little boy. But the Bible said the Philistine appointed Goliath. Every Philistine are fled of Goliath. They know that Goliath are a dangerous man. They were challenging the Israelites. He said, bring out your drum. Bring out your battle men that can challenge us. It's like Pastor was challenging me. And so I can deal with you. Because he was seeing me as a child. He was seeing me because he has equity. He was seeing me because there is a weapon they have which he does not have. Child of God, no matter the nation that fight Israel, they don't defeat Israel. You know why? God was with him. There are men that neglect you. They see they can crush you in a second. But they never understand there is a spirit of God that back you up. What back you up is what you can pray for. Which can pray for from the coven because they know what they operate. But we came in the Lord and pray for you in the house of God. You say you do nothing. I know the God that I serve. He's a God that can stand me, give me strength to challenge your battle. That is why you wake up at night. You see that you overcome what the enemy meant for you. Because the Lord is your strength. And the Bible says, David now used just a stone to kill a mighty man, which is Goliath. Just a stone. And the Israelites, remember, Saul was a king in the land of Israel. And the Philistine was talking to Saul. He said, present your man. He said, offer your man. Every Israelite was dead because Goliath is nowhere to stand for. And you see, the Bible says, David come willingly. David came to volunteer himself. He said, I am not as scared of what I'm saying. Even the people in Israel was as scared of the man. based on your strength.